Sold to Jake for $47.
Yes! Bro, I'm gonna be eating good.
Just let me know what day and what you want me to DoorDash.
Miss Thomason, you might regret that. He's probably gonna order the entire menu. Dude, I'm getting McDonald's and I'm getting a Big Mac. Cause I'm a man. I need meat. I've had a Big Mac before. I don't think you can eat all that. Oh yeah? I can put it away. Bet.
Next is the coupon to sit at the teacher's desk, and it comes with special teacher privileges.
Oh, I've been waiting for this. I bid $50.
$50? Any more bids?
I would, but I already spent all my money.
Going once?
Come on, anyone else besides Sarah? Joseph, dude.
Sold to Sarah.
Yay! I've been wanting this all year.
Oh, you can use it any day. Oh, and be sure to write down your favorite teacher snacks.
Oh, okay. I can't wait. I get to be in charge of the class.
Oh,
well, this should be fun.